Hi everyone, this is Cindy.
Hi, I'm Ryan. Today, Home Discovery is going to bring you to a beautiful development in the western part of Singapore.
Let's go!
Dairy Farm Residences is a newly TOP mixed development situated in the heart of Hillview and Dairy Farm at District 23. The mixed development consists of 450 residential units, together with a retail area that spans 2 floors that include childcare centre, supermarket and food court. And within 1 km, we have CHIJ and Bukit Panjang Primary School. There are 5 childcare centres within 1 km as well.
Ryan, I know you've been staying around here for many years. Can you share with us why you love this area?
Of course, why don't we use Dairy Farm Residences as an example? Dairy Farm Residences is located near 2 nature reserves, such as the Bukit Batok Nature Park and the Bukit Timah Nature Reserve. There are not many such nature reserves in Singapore, and in fact, many people from other parts of Singapore loves to climb the Bukit Timah hill. Within District 23, it is a densely populated district where the mixed developments are carefully spread apart.
I also realized Dairy Farm Residence is next to a German European school, Singapore, and situated in a private enclave, surrounded by condo and landed properties.
Not only that, if you love to eat, many residents will go to the Beauty World Centre or Railway Mall to dine. And for drivers, they will usually explore more places. And not forgetting, it is about 15 to 18 minutes drive to downtown core of Singapore via PKE and PIE.
Come on in! These are high floor 936 square feet 3-bedroom units. The moment you enter the unit, you will see a nice enclosed kitchen with a window. There is a window in each bathroom. Now let's walk through the house together. Wow! What a nice en bloc view!
Like what we have shown you today, and if you are keen to view this unit, do give us a pin.
And we will love to show you around.